Ready to unleash your creativity? In this step-by-step Canva t-shirt design tutorial, you'll learn how to transform your ideas into standardizable art. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, discover insider tips and tricks that will elevate your designs and make your shirts stand out. Let's dive in and turn your vision into reality. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a t-shirt designs with Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. So Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals to create a wide range of visual content. Including t-shirt designs, it offers an extensive library of templates, images, fonts, and design tools, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers to bring their creative ideas to life effortlessly. Right? So right now we have just to come back to the top and you will have just to click over sign up and you get started with this platform. I already have an account, that's why we don't find here how you can get started or the option of signing up and log in because I already have an account. Right, so we have just right now to know the plans and the pricing of this platform. We have here free and the pro one, the teams and the enterprise as well. So for example, for the free one, we have a design anything can bring your ideas to life, no cost, just creativity. Then we have the pro one, unlock premium content, more powerful design tools, and AI features. Then we have here teams, transform teamwork, grow your brand, and simplify workflows. Then we have enterprise, empower your organization with an all-in-one workplace solution. Right? So for example, I will just here find or I will just search for the free one because this is the one that I will use. So we have here how you can get started, create amazing visual content with no design experience. Start by yourself or invite others to collaborate. We'll just click over start design, and also we have here other options like create a collaboration, publish and print, and other information for this option or this choice for plans pricing. So this is for free. I will show you how you can just create a design t-shirt. All right. So right now we have just to click over home here, or you can just sign up by writing your email address and your password and you get started. If you already have an account, you have just to log in and you'll find like that. Then you click over home and you'll find other page, which is this one. So right now we have just to go to the search content canvas. You have to dive into t-shirts and you will just select the template that you think it's better. For example, I will just here select the filters. I will click over seal firstly. And I will click over all filters. I will select the category that I think is better for me. Alright, right now I will just select the categories, for example, which related to the business, if it's documents, presentations, whiteboard, business cards, flyers, prototypes, mind maps, websites, graphics, planners, letterheads, calendars, resumes, and we have other things. Then we have social media here, and then we have education, video, marketing. Then we have print products. Also, we have here cards and invitations. Then we have here the style. You can select if you want modern or minimalist and other things. Then we have here the theme if you want the black one or the pink one. And also we have here the language, the feature. Then also we have here the topic. If you want also the pricing if it's free. Then also we have here also this option of color. I will select for example the black one and I will click over apply and you will find the template that you want. Alright, so here we have it as you can see. Let's just select the one you want or one you think is better. For example, I will select this one and I will click over customize this template and you'll find the page which is this one as you can see. And right now let's just design in. We have here in the left design, you can just select other template that you think is better than this one. So for example, I'll select this one, or we'll let this one is better for more than this one. So then also we have here the option of elements, but first let's just selecting these things. Alright. Alright, about the background I will select for example the black color, then also I will delete this one. As you can see, right now I will just add for example this one. I'll put it like that. I think it's better. Then I will put for example here. For example, I will just search for something that's are more beautiful. For example, I will just go to the t-shirts like that. Alright. So for example, we have here the t-shirts. I will select, for example, this t-shirt, for example, like that, and I'll put it like that here, and I will first delete this one. I'll put this one more. As you can see, so you can add whatever you want here, and you get started with Canva. Right, also we have here, if you want to add, for example, I will just add right now here, I will add, for example, this one. I'll put it like that, and then I will go to the added text. I will add a heading, as you can see. Then I'll put this heading in the top, and I will add, for example, here I will add, for example, something. I will just select the same color. They will add, for example, fire with a dragon, like that, as you can see. So here we have it. And also I will just go here to the print if I want to add logos, colors, fonts. Also if I want to upload something, such as here we have, I will just click for upload files, and you will find your computer and you upload whatever you want. Then also we have the option of record yourself. As you can see, you can just start recording, right? And also we have here draw. For example, I will select here the color that I think is better. For example, I will select this color, and I will just click for this one, and I will add, for example, one signature here. For example, like that. As you can see, then I will add whatever I want here. As you can see. So if you did a mistake, I will just click over undo, and here we have it. As you can see, I think this one is better right now. I will just add, for example, here Canva, like that. As you can see, so just an example. And right now we'll just here add, for example, for unwanted project application. Also we have here QR code, and we have also here in the top right the option of share, and you will just use other options like see here. I will have here public view link, template link, presentatory card, copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, embed, and we have also here website. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. Let's see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.